Hey everyone, Marc Luber here from Careers Out There. You could find me at careersoutthere.com. I recently interviewed Tommy Rosenthal. He's a mortgage banker at the USA Mortgage Company in St. Louis, Missouri. For the past 13 years, Tommy's been one of the top 10 mortgage originators in all of St. Louis. I asked him to explain mortgage banking to us and to compare it to some related careers. Here's a look at how that went.
Our jobs are to originate loans, home loans. We provide the financing to help borrowers out in purchasing a home or refinancing, meaning saving money on their current home.
On the phone, we talked about a couple different career paths that are related to what you do, and I want to talk about those, and if you could kind of distinguish each one for us so that we could figure out the differences. The three were, I guess, were mortgage banker like yourself, then mortgage broker, and then a loan officer handling mortgages at a big bank like a Bank of America, a Wells Fargo. All related paths, yet different. Tell us what the difference is, please.
Well, here's the difference. And they are kind of subtle differences. They're all, in general, doing the same thing, but with slight differences. So a mortgage banker, which is what I am, I work for a mortgage company. We close loans in our company's name, okay, and we use our own funds to close loans. But then after closing, we sell the loan off to a Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citi Mortgage, Chase, any of the big companies. So we're doing everything in our company's name and then closing. A loan broker or a mortgage broker, the main difference is they are also going to originate loans, but immediately before closing, that loan is going to be transferred over to a Wells Fargo, a Bank of America. They're going to not use their own money in the transaction, and they are not going to close in their company's name. They're going to close in whoever they sold the loan to. So the main difference can be sometimes higher fees for mortgage brokers because they make their money. That's one way that they make their money is by immediately selling off the note. A loan officer at a bank, duties will be the same, but but the main difference is where we're going to have many different investors that we're going to sell our loan to. A loan officer at Bank of America, you might walk in, see a loan officer there and say, I want to do my loan with you guys. And the only loan company that they're going to be using is Bank of America. They're not going to be selling the loan out.
So they only have their rate. They could only say to you, here's our rate today. And you can look and say, and you have a broader array of rates you can offer.
We do. We have a broader array. I mean, which is great. We have more companies we can sell our loan to. Now, that being said, one nice thing about being a loan officer at a bank is they're also often able to do what are called portfolio loans, which are the bank can make their own decision on certain loans that are not necessarily by the book, for lack of a better term. So if they think a loan makes sense and their bank agrees that they want to do this loan, they're able to do that. And that's one advantage of being a loan officer at a bank as opposed to a mortgage company.
And now you're competing with all these characters, right? You're not only competing with other mortgage bankers, but you're competing with the loan officers at the banks and the mortgage brokers, right?
Totally. I mean, we're in competition with everybody. Different mortgage bankers, banks, mortgage brokers, all of us, because the jobs really are very similar.
Yeah,
we're definitely in competition with all. So one thing that's important to know is, again, if you're a mortgage banker, a mortgage broker, a loan officer, again, it all comes down to if people like you and you give good products and fair prices, you got a great chance of success.
And if someone's watching this sounds cool to them, there's actually a lot of different kind of opportunities then, because there's different places they can go if they actually want to start networking.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
totally. It gives someone out there that's looking for a career many opportunities because they can go any which way as far as that's concerned. And
that's great.
Exactly.
I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about the career path, you could find the full interview at careersouthere.com, where we interview professionals from all kinds of career paths about what they do so we can help you find a career that fits you and you can love what you do. You can also find us at Facebook, Twitter, and lots more videos here on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'm Marc Luber. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.